Hi, my name is Sarah, and today I will be going over what is the car maintenance schedule for Countryside Dodge here in Essex. One of the things to focus on throughout the year are routine maintenance schedules. These schedules help you maintain your vehicle to have proper vehicle health. Here at Countryside Dodge, we're going to take you through a step-by-step guide through each of the important elements. First and foremost, regular maintenance is key to good vehicle health. This includes general tire rotation, oil changes, and filter replacements. Much of this can be done on your own, like checking tires and maintaining the levels. However, changing things such as specific oil, filters, and brakes should be done by professionals. The two key elements here are the fuel and air filters. The air filter is usually recommended to be replaced between 15 and 30,000 kilometers. And if you live in a dusty area, you will have to replace it sooner. This prevents dirt from getting into the engine, causing larger issues. The fuel filter is another important filter to change regularly if you own a diesel. A clogged filter will make it difficult to drive, and it is also recommended between 15 and 30,000 kilometers. It is best to ask us, as it may be different for each vehicle as well as your vehicle. Other items to watch. One is your battery. Batteries should be replaced around every 5 years or 100,000 kilometers. This is important to keep your vehicle running well. If you feel a drag on the system or the engine doesn't seem to be turning over properly, the battery might be the problem. Other things to look at are the braking system, including pads, rotors, and shoes. Additionally, coolant and transmission fluids should be changed at different points as well. Another item to pay attention to are hoses. These can dry out and begin to crack, which can result in leaks. Some other bigger items that need to be checked on are spark plugs and ignition elements, as well as different timing belts. Can you maintain your vehicle up to 100,000 miles? Of course you can, but it takes time, knowledge, and a good mechanic, and a regularly followed maintenance schedule. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon at Countryside Dodge.